What's up, boys and girls? Empire Steve is back with you again. Today is Monday, and it is the 28th. There's just a few more days left in the month, or on the month, or actually this month. Sorry. Anyway, let's talk about what happened to me last week. I screwed up pretty bad on TickTick Trader. I was down a little bit on a trade, and I was within that scaling threshold initially to where I could have taken a bigger position size. I think I was at a point where I could have taken 6 on one of my funded accounts, and the trade went south on me. I wasn't paying attention, did not get out, and then I got liquidated because I had too much size into the position, and I did not know the rules completely. So I said, you know what? Today is Monday. I'm going to start a new TickTick Trader 100K evaluation. I knew the market would sell off today, and that's exactly what it did. And I will show you right now how I passed this evaluation in one day. I literally did it in less than an hour. So I'm going to show you real fast. So as you can see, my total net liquidation is 106,280, and unrealized profit was 64.50, but technically it was 62.80. So that is pretty massive, and I will show you what I did and why I took this trade. So I'm going to lower that, and I'm going to bring up Bookmap, and you can't miss it. So here is Bookmap. I saw all of this liquidation stacking up here. So this is 9:30 and market opens, and we go straight up. So we basically go from 39.95 or in that area, but a little bit below 4,000, all the way up to 40.20. And you can see we had this big sell order up here, and you can see that we were taking out these massive icebergs here. So I don't remember exactly what time I started getting in, but I got in, and it wasn't even until around this time frame. So I can see that we're just kind of bouncing in this range here from sorry again, but I can see us bouncing this 415, and we could not get back above 415. There's this liquidation stacking up, as you can see, and it was all taken out. So I got in around here. I got 5 contracts to the short side. So I sold 5 positions, right? So I was in short 5 here, and I grabbed 5 more when we got here. You guys can't see it as clear now because it was taken out, but you see this area of liquidity. So this was pretty decent resistance, and so I grabbed 5 more there, and then once we got below VWAP, I grabbed 4 more. The most you can only hold 14 contracts at once on TickTick Trader on the 100K Express. So that is it. Price was going down. I had a stop in at 4,014, so I was just going to let it run, right? So I think at one point I was even down like 1,500 from what I can see. I took my dog for a walk, pretty risky, staying in something, taking my dog on a walk. When I came back from the dog walk, which was just a few minutes ago, I could see that I was up like $5,000. I was like, okay, so I'm looking at Bookmap, and that was in like this range. So at this point I was up, I think the price was at like 4,004. And I saw that we still had this liquidity down here that's stacking up, which, like I've said in previous videos, that acts as a magnet. So price is going to basically magnetize and go all the way down to that area. So as soon as I was up over $6,000, which is right here. So as soon as I saw that this number was getting close to 6,000, I was getting ready to just exit out of my position. And as you can see, I made that money. So Bookmap is pretty amazing, I will say. But let's look at the chart so you can see. So here's SPY, and this is one of the main reasons why I went short. And I could see I was short around here and added here, and I saw that SPY failed this pivot right here. Boom. That is when I added 5 more, and then when we broke below the EMAs, I added 4 more. So I was looking at a combined applications at the same time. So I'm looking at Bookmap, and I'm looking at TradingView, and obviously I'm looking at my NinjaTrader charts, which you can see. And the footprints were painting a very big picture. So this is another reason why I went short when the market, a little bit after the market opened. As you can see, these wicks, and we have the delta showing negative, and it showed negative for quite a while, and it just kept showing negative. You see these wicks here, and we just kept going lower and lower and lower, and you can see that we are still basically mostly negative since the market has opened. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 positive, but as far as the percentage goes, we have been pretty negative on the day so far. I saw that coming. I knew that run up this morning was fake, and it was basically a bull trap. So bulls got trapped, and it paid off pretty good for me. And I'll show you one more thing. I have already completed my assessment. So, and I already got the email saying that I completed the assessment. So there is that. We will see how that goes. Tomorrow I should be funded. I probably will be funded later today, but I won't. I might make like one trade, just one or two contracts if it happens before the, like, power hour. But we'll see. There's no guarantees on that, so I will not be looking to make any trades. Will just depend on what actually happens. So I just wanted to make a quick video about that. I am in a position still on my Top Step account, and I am up $6,000. Sorry, not 6,000, 1,650 at the moment. I got in at 40.13, and I have been holding this ever since. I don't even remember when I bought it. Actually, I can tell you in a second what time I bought it. I went short right when the market opened today on this one. Yep, it was at 9:33 is when I got into my 3 position short on ES on Top Step. So that is that. That's on my other monitor. It's going to basically, if I bring it over here, it's going to look like clutter, like a mess. But so we'll leave that there for now, and that is basically it. I just wanted to show you all that before I joined a work call. So that is it for Monday. I'm looking forward to showing recaps tomorrow and seeing what we can do with my TickTick account tomorrow. And if you all have any questions, comments, as always, leave that down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for my channel, so that we can all see when I make some more content for you. But I hope you all have a good rest of your day. Do not overtrade. See green, take that green. If you see red, get out. You don't want to be bigger red. My opinion is we're going to keep selling off today. I don't really see any big orders anywhere right now, but I have a feeling we are going to continue. Oh, there they are. They're hiding. 39.85, 39.87, 38, 39.90. You don't see a whole lot up top. So I think we're going to continue to sell off. I'm planning on holding my short on my Top Step account. It's step 2 still. I'm going to be on step 2 forever. Lots of back and forth because I have too many funded accounts already. So we'll see how that goes. Anyways, just like I said a few minutes ago, I hope you all have a good rest of your day. Let me know if you need anything, have any questions, comments down below, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care.